Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to be giving my sincere advice to every beginner trader out there. If you know you're just starting out in Forex trading, please do not be eager to trade. Do not be eager to go live, okay? I just don't know why most beginner traders are always so eager to go live, okay? I have a new student I was teaching. I've not even taught the student for up to 2 weeks. He's already asking me if he can deposit $50 into his account and start trading. No, you don't do that. Don't be so eager to trade. Like, the eagerness that you should have is to learn, okay? Learn and also be eager to do a lot of back testing. All right, be eager to have a data driven system, okay? A system that is backed by data. That's the only thing that will now give you confidence. Let me quickly break something down for you so you can understand where my where the pain is coming from, okay? Because these are mistakes that we've made. So when someone else is trying to make the mistake, it kind of pisses me off, okay? So you just need to actually follow things the right way. When it comes to forex trading, if you're a beginner trader, don't be eager to trade at all, else, unless you just have money you want to just lose, okay? You want to give money to the market, okay? And that is not a wise thing to do. Calm down. Try to master your strategy, okay? Once you've mastered your strategy, then try to get a data driven system, okay? There should be data backing up the so-called strategy you want to trade, and that data is not your mentor that will give you. It's not anybody that will give you. You are the one that has to. You have to go and find out. The efficiency of that your system. You need to go and find it out by yourself by back testing. So when you back test and you get data, okay, you get data from your back testing. That is what will now give you the confidence to now enter the market, by actually depositing money and going live. All right. So what I'm trying to say is, let's say you are using supply and demand as a strategy. For example, that's what you learned from your mentor or wherever it is you learned it from. Don't just jump and go and get a live account and start trading in supply and demand. No, that's very silly. You lose the money. Even if you're lucky for some time, over time, you're still going to lose the money because the market does not work like that. Okay, there are some things you need to do. All right, there are lessons you need to learn, and those lessons, if you don't learn them on a demo account, you will learn the lesson by losing real money. Okay, so calm down, all right, and follow the right process. Now, what I need you to do, you've studied supply and demand and you feel you understand it so well. Good. Start backtesting supply and demand on a particular pair. Okay, you can backtest up to 3 months or 2 months. Okay, but make sure you have a lot of samples whereby it played out, the setup came up, and then you checked what happened. You imagine that you've taken an entry, then you scroll and check what happened, then you write it down. Okay, it has to be data driven. You have to get a data of how that strategy performed in the last 2 to 3 months. All right, so let's say in the last 2 months you got 100 setups, and out of the 100 setups you actually won 70 trades and you lost 30. Okay, that's going to give you an idea that, okay, out of 100 trades I am going to win about 70. That does not mean it's going to be exactly 70 every time, but that will give you an idea. Okay, so once you've done that, that's when you can now proceed. All right, you can now proceed to actually fund your accounts and go live, because you now have an idea. You understand how it's going to play out, when it's going to put you in profits, and how it looks like when it's actually going to fail. Okay, so when you see beginner traders, they just fund their accounts and all they have is understanding of the strategy. They don't have any data driven system that they have used to check, and know how the system looks when it fails and how it looks when it actually plays out. Okay, so they even lack confidence because they don't have that data. That data is exactly what's going to give you the confidence, because you now understand that, oh, if I'm using 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio and I can win 70 times out of 100, that's definitely going to put me in profits. So that will now give you the confidence to now proceed. you can say, okay, in a month you took 40 trades. Out of the 40 trades, you won 32 and you lost 8. That's actually nice. Okay, so you can now proceed to go live. But most people, they don't have that data. If you tell them that, oh, you said you just blew your accounts, the strategy you actually use to trade, something else again, you need to focus on one strategy. Okay, you need to focus on one strategy until, and focusing on one strategy is based on demo trading. You focus on one strategy, do your back testing on that strategy, then that will now give you the idea of how good that strategy is. If it is not good, no problem. Let's say out of 50 trades you lost 30. Okay, that does not mean you lost it in the real sense. It's more like, while you were back testing, you back tested up to 53 months time or so, you back tested 50 trades and you notice that you lost 30. That's not too good. Okay, so you can probably drop the strategy and look for another strategy. I'm talking about when you now have a strategy that gave you, what you need, like it's up to probably 60% accuracy. Out of 100 you want 60 or you want 70. That is when you should now fund your accounts and say you want to go live. All right, so basically that's what I have for you this morning. Okay, so if you got any value, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.